student, today we are going to learn elements of a condensing plant. This is the block diagram of a steam power plant. This is the boiler. Here water convert to superheated steam. Steam coming from boiler and empty to the steam engine or steam turbine. Here steam expand, superheated steam convert to wet steam and do work. This is the condenser. From steam engine, wet steam empty to condenser. At condenser, wet steam reject latent heat and convert to water. This is the circulating water in and circulating cooling water in and circulating cooling water out after taking the latent heat from the wet steam. Water, that means condensate, collected at hot well. This is the feed pump. It pumps the condensate, that means condensed steam, from hot well to boiler. আমরা এই পার্টটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব elements of a condensing plant. Now, element of condensing plant. First element, the condenser. This is the condenser where steam is condensed. This is the main part. Steam convert to water. Second element, the condensate pump. It extract water from the condenser to the hot well. Pump water, that is condensate, from condenser to hot well. Third element, the hot well. Hot well used for collecting the condensate. Condensate means condensed steam, water. Next element, the air ejector or dye pump for removing the non-condensable gases from the condenser. If a single pump is used for removing the air and the condensate, it is known as wet pump. If a single pump used for both purpose, removing air and condensate, it is called wet pump. Next element, the circulating water pump. It is used for circulating the cooling water. It pumps cooling water to the condenser. Next element, the cooling tower or spray sponge. If same circulating water is to be used again and again, then we use cooling tower or spray pond. At cooling tower or spray pond, circulating hot water from condenser is cooled here and again pumped to the condenser for circulating water. Okay.